Alright guys, I am back. I hope you like that intro, that took me a while. So, let's just open the box, and as you can see inside the box, there's another box. And it says MX, which means it is the Logitech MX Master 3. And if you open the box, you could see that the mouse is right there, alongside with the unifying adapter. If you just hold the mouse, you could see, like, it feels amazing. The ergonomics for the mouse is absolutely fantastic. And inside this smaller box, you could see some paperwork and this USB-C cable. It's not USB-C on both sides, but still, it's pretty good. And there are this advertisement thing for the MX keys. I'm not planning on getting that because I'm a huge Apple sheep, and I think my Apple Magic Keyboard is working just fine for me. There it is. That's everything in the box. It wasn't as fancy as the box from the Logitech MX2S, but it also did use a lot less plastic, which is always great for the environment.
Now, you might be wondering, how different are the two mouses? Well, before we actually talk about that, can you just appreciate these acoustic panels behind me? Like, these are fantastic. I'm only using the mic of my phone right now, and they sound fantastic. Like, they sound great. You can't really hear any echo, and if you just want to get it, right, I will be leaving a link in the description down below. If you get that, I'll get like a small cut from Amazon. And yeah, these foam, fantastic. They're also quite cheap, coming at like $36, $37 for 24. Sorry, Canadian dollars. And also, please just excuse the screen behind me. That is 144 Hertz, which is incompatible with the 30 frames I'm shooting with right now, as the 144 is not divisible by 30. Anyways, let's just talk about the differences between the Logitech MX Master 3 and the Logitech MX Master 2. Thank you.
So clearly you can see that the Logitech MX Master 3 has chosen a more squared off design rather than the smooth or triangular design from the Logitech MX Master 2S. And also, the scroll wheels are metal now, instead of plastic on the previous generation. The bottom of the mouse is basically the exact same as the previous generation Logitech MX Master 2S. In fact, they didn't even add any new buttons. It's the same functionality, just a little bit more squared off, that's all. The one thing that they did change is the charging method, as they come with this USB-C cable now. It charges with USB-C, which is my preferred way of charging. So I was really glad that they replaced the old micro USB, which sucked, by the way.
Abrupt cutscene. Alright, so, you might, like, if you're super observant, you might be able to figure out that I'm chewing gum right now. And yeah, these are gum by itself, and they're supposed to accelerate your breath. Haha, it's a pun. I swear I'm not sponsored. But yeah, so tons of you guys just told me to do a food review. So yeah, I don't have any food, so I'm reviewing these gum. I'm chewing 2 right now, actually. And you know what? Like, I'll choose another one, right? I just dropped it. Alright, so I'm gonna eat this. This is 5 calories, by the way. Now stop bothering me, like, stop saying I need to make a food review. I'm not making a food review, alright? So stop. This is the best you're gonna get. Let's get back to the video. And you're like probably thinking, wow, this is a cool guy. I should definitely keep watching his video. So yeah, you're gonna do that. And we will be talking about how I am using this new mouse and how I'm adapting to it from the Logitech MX Master 2. I'm recording it like this because I forgot to record this part. And yeah, you can see I have like coffee right there because I'm not sleeping tonight.
The three main problems I had with the Logitech MX Master 2S was the side buttons being really crammed together, which makes it hard to press the individual buttons, the charging method, and the scroll wheels being mushy. And these problems were surprisingly all fixed in the third generation, which was the exact reason why I upgraded. Them replacing the side wheels and the scroll wheel with a full aluminum build is fantastic in my opinion, as now it doesn't feel plasticky or mushy anymore. And scrolling them actually feels quite premium, and I actually like to use this now. And because that the side buttons are now separated from the main scroll wheel, it's actually way easier to press as you have more room, so you wouldn't accidentally press the wrong button. That was a big problem on the first and second generation, so I was very glad that it was fixed.
Abrupt cutscene number 2. Okay, so I'm actually doing a giveaway, right? I will be giving away 1 free pineapple. If you want to enter, just go down to the comment section and say, I want to win the pineapple. And then say 22, alright? I want to win the pineapple 22. If you say that, you will be entered into the giveaway and I will be giving you a pineapple. Thanks, that's all you have to do. Just do that right now. Like, pause the video, do that, and come back. Thanks. Alright, let's get back to the video again.
Now, finally, let's talk about tech specs. So, based on Logitech, if you charge the mouse for 1 minute, you can get 3 hours of use. And not only that, you can pair it with the unifying adapter, you can also pair it to your computer with Bluetooth. So let's face it, no one wants to plug a plug into their computer, so why not just use Bluetooth? And that way you can even use different profiles on different computers with the same mouse. And the features that the mouse is aimed to create is to speed up your workflow, to be a comfortable mouse for you to use every day, and have precise tracking on basically any surface. It can speed up your workflow by having this free app called Logitech Options, and I have it too. It's really easy to use. You really don't have to learn anything. It's very comfortable, as like the shape, it's super ergonomical. Is that even a word? I have no idea if that's a word. But yeah, it just feels fantastic on the hand. I've been editing this video solely on that mouse, and it feels fantastic. Just amazing. I would love to edit 1,000 more videos on that. And it can track precisely on basically any surface with its special 4000 dpi sensor. You can even track on glass that's thicker than 4 millimeters. So yeah, this overall is a fantastic mouse.
Oh my gosh, it's so late. Yeah, so if you were debating on getting this mouse or upgrading from the Logitech MX Master 2S, well, yeah, definitely. If you have a normal mouse and you're just getting into the productivity game, this, like, you will see your performance going up by like factors of 10. If you're a video editor, the vertical scroll will help you out so much. If you create music, or even if you're just like working on Microsoft Word, right? This mouse works on every single platform. It even works on iPhones and iPads, but yeah, so I hope that I have convinced you to get this mouse. And if I have, be sure to click on the link in the description down below, as I will have an affiliate link there, and you won't be paying any extra. I'll just be getting a small cut from Amazon themselves. And yeah, it's getting really late. I better like go to bed. Yeah, so I need to get some rest. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like the video, and click something on the screen right now. Thank you so very much, and I will see you next time. Peace out. I don't say that. Bye.